Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Zepto ID. First, understand that a Zepto ID is essentially a unique identifier, often used for elements or data within a system. Its primary purpose is to distinguish one item from another, ensuring no two items share the same identifier. We will explore several straightforward methods to generate these unique strings, focusing on their practical application and ease of implementation in various programming scenarios. Let's dive into the first approach. Our first method is the simple counter. This approach involves keeping track of a number that increases every time you need a new ID. You simply take the current count, use it as your identifier, and then add one to it for the next request. For instance, you might start at 0, making your first ID 1, then 2, and so forth. This is incredibly easy to implement and works well for local, short-term uniqueness, but it doesn't guarantee global uniqueness across different systems or restarts. Next, let's consider timestamp-based ID. This method uses the current time, typically down to the millisecond or even microsecond, as the core of your identifier. To make it even more robust and avoid collisions, especially if multiple ID are generated simultaneously, you can append a small random number. Imagine adding a random 3-digit number to your timestamp. This approach offers a much higher probability of uniqueness compared to a simple counter, making it suitable for distributed systems where ID need to be distinct across different sources. Finally, for the highest level of uniqueness, we turn to UUIDs or GUID. These are standardized 16-byte numbers, often displayed as 32 hexadecimal digits, like a long string of letters and numbers. The mathematical probability of two UUIDs being identical is astronomically low, making them ideal for scenarios requiring global uniqueness across vast systems and over long periods. Most modern programming environments offer straightforward functions to generate these powerful identifiers with just one line of code, providing a reliable and robust solution for any Zepto ID requirement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.